Hello guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Unique Civil Minds. I hope you are doing great. In today's lecture we are going to learn about the fillet. So under this fillet we got only one method is there, that is your radius method. So under this radius method we got the three different processes are there, how it is going to be applied with respect to your fillet. So we'll see with respect to first radius, then we'll go with multiple, polyline, trim or no trim method. So we'll see how it is going to be applied. So the name itself indicating that radius, it means when the two perpendicular lines are there, it is going to be formed in the form of, at the edges it is going to form a curved path. So this it is going to be formed in the shape of a curve of radius. It is going to get a fillet radius from here to here. You are going to get this fillet radius. You need to check that one. So in this case what I will do, I will select the fillet command shortcut key I have written over here, that is press enter. Again I was going to select here, I got the different processes, which process you required you need to select that one. So first I will select with respect to radius. So if you want radius you click radius directly, or if you want you can type R also or enter. So I am selecting here this one. So what I will do, I will give the fillet radius, how much radius I required the fillet, I will select that one. So I will select here how much, 6 inch. So I will press enter. Why I was taking 6 inch? Because my units are all set out in terms of your inches and feet. So for that reason I was taking 6 inch. So if your units are set out with respect to millimeter or meter, you can take with respect to meter or a millimeter. So what I will do, 6 inch, I will press enter. So in this case what you need to do, you need to select the two perpendicular lines, not these two parallel lines. Right, if you are selecting these two parallel lines, this fillet will come out of its command line. See, for example, see it is came out of its command line. So in this case you need to select with respect to a perpendicular lines. So fillet radius. See here I was giving the 6 inch earlier. So I select this one and this one. See here we got a curved line from the sharp edges to a curved line. Right, so in this case if I required this corner to be done the same curve and this also to be done with the same and this also, so it will take a long process if I was going with respect to a radius method. So to do all the four corners it is going to take all the time. I need to give the command line fillet, then I need to select the radius, I need to give the radius, and then I need to select each perpendicular lines. Right, so after clicking once it is going to come out of its command line. So again I need to do the process. It will take a huge time. To reduce that time, so we got the second process, that is your multiple. So what I need to do here is, you need to press your fillet command press enter. Again you need to take the multiple and press enter. Again you need to give your radius, how much you required. Again I required this 6 inches. So I was giving the 6 and I was pressing it out. So I will select this and this. See, the cursor it won't come out of its command line, so it is in the command. So I can work with, again see here I can do this and I can going to convert this also. So again in this case also I need to click in this method, or this process is also long when compared to the third one, that is your polyline method. So what it is going to happen, so every time I need to select the two opposite lines and I need to do the process. So to reduce that time also we got the second method, that is your polyline method. So this how this polyline method is going to be work means, we'll see here. For example, I will show you. See here in this case, in this rectangle we got all the lines are independent to each other. See here these are independent to each other, but in this case in this rectangle all the lines are connected to each other. So if you are going with respect to polyline, it should be connected with all the lines with respect to each other. If it is not connected, then this polyline dimension or polyline method, it is not going to be valid for this case. For example, I will show you fillet F and polyline P. So again if I was giving 6 inch, see here if I was selecting this line, it is indicating you that this object selected is not a 2D polyline. It is not a polyline because they are independent to each other. So for that reason this is connected to each other. See here when I was taking on this rectangle portion, it is going to be convert all your sharp edges to a curved path at each corner. So simultaneously we can do by using by doing a polyline method, right? So I can done with all these things very easily. When compared to your polyline is so easy to do all the corners into a curved one when with respect to your multiple method or with respect to your radius method. So we got one more, that is your trim or no trim method. Whatever we have done till now, that is a trim method. It means these edges are going to be trimmed out. So that is trimmed out and this curve is formed. Two, we got under this trim and no trim. If you don't want to trim these two lines, if you don't want to trim out, then you need to go for the trim or no trim method. See here how we can apply fillet TF. Under this trim T, you can what will call press enter, or you can select directly trim over here also. So enter. Under this I got the two different methods. One is trim or no trim. Trim means it is going to look like this. No trim means I will show you. See here I was selecting the trim. Again I need to give the dimension, how much the fillet radius should you require. So I was giving again 6. See here this one. So it is going to be trimming out. You are seeing at this point it is trimming out your this rectangle portion, right? It is forming into a curved one. So this is your trim method. Similarly, if I don't want to trim out these two lines, it should be there. I require these two lines means what you need to do, you need to go for fillet TF under this trim and again press N, or you can select your no trim. So this one. So when I was selecting these two lines, this corner, it is not, this edge is not going to be trimmed out, right? So it is going to be left at this particular place only, right? This is about your radius method. Under this radius method we got the three different processes. So sometimes we are going to get this type of rectangles also while we are working. So if you want to trim out these two things, what we will do, we will go with the TR, enter, and again we are going to trim out these things, right? So if you want to these two lines, again what we are going to, if I want to join these two lines, what we are going to do, we are going to extended line. By selecting this one, we are going to use the extended line command and to join this one. With the help of a fillet also we can do to join these two lines, and we can trim out these two excess lines. How we can do means, see here. So as I told you people, we got only one method, that is radius method. If I was applying this command, then all these straight lines which is going to convert in terms of your curved path at your corner, sorry, that is your edges. So if you want a straight line, then what you need to do, after applying your fillet command, you need to press your shift key and then you need to select your opposite line, then the excess line which is going to be trim out. For example, I will show you fillet TF. So it is clearly mentioning you that, right, select the first object. So what I will do, I will select this first object. So again it is indicating you that select the second object or shift select to apply the corners. To apply these two corners, it is going to be select. If I was selecting this opposite line, it is forming in your what will call curved one. So the excess line which is going to be trimmed out. So in this case what I need to do, I need to press this shift to trim out these two excess lines. So I was pressing this shift and I was pressing here. See here, this excess line is gone. So in this case, to join these two lines, again you go for the fillet command, select the first one and press this shift and select this second one. See here, join these two lines. So this is how your fillet can work with respect to join the two corners, or this corner can be converted into your curved one. How we can do? We can do with the help of your fillet command. We can use this fillet command and we can do the things, right? If you have any queries or if you have not understood any topic, please comment in the comment section. I'll be replying you. Thank you guys.